Welcome back to the channel, MK Car Reviews, and today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most extreme, over-the-top, and jaw-dropping vehicles you can buy in 2026. This is the Caterpillar Desert Titan 6x6 Motorhome, a machine that blurs the line between military-grade, engineering, and ultra-luxury, living on wheels. This is not your average RV. This is a rolling fortress built to conquer deserts, mountains, frozen terrain, and everything in between, while keeping you surrounded by comfort and technology. Let's explore the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing of this absolute monster. From the very first glance, the 2026 Caterpillar Desert Titan 6x6 looks unstoppable. The exterior design is unapologetically bold and functional, inspired heavily by heavy-duty Caterpillar construction equipment. The massive reinforced body sits high off the ground, supported by 6 enormous off-road tires designed to handle sand dunes, rocky trails, mud, and snow without hesitation. The front end is aggressive and commanding, featuring a heavy-duty grille, industrial-style LED lighting, and a reinforced bumper that looks capable of pushing through almost anything. Skid plates, steel body panels, and protective guards are strategically placed to shield critical components during extreme off-road adventures. This motorhome doesn't just look tough. It's engineered to survive environments where most vehicles wouldn't stand a chance. The 6x6 configuration is what truly sets the Desert Titan apart. With 3 axles and 6 driven wheels, traction is exceptional, even in the harshest conditions. The extended chassis gives it a commanding road presence and allows for a much larger living space inside. Despite its massive size, the design is surprisingly well balanced, with aerodynamic touches that help reduce drag during long highway drives. Large side storage compartments are built into the body, perfect for carrying tools, recovery gear, spare parts, and outdoor equipment. This is a motorhome built for people who want to explore the most remote corners of the planet without sacrificing safety or capability. Step inside the 2026 Caterpillar Desert Titan 6x6 and the atmosphere changes completely. The interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a rugged off-road vehicle. High-quality materials dominate the space, with premium leather seating, soft touch surfaces, and durable finishes designed to withstand extreme use. The layout is spacious and thoughtfully designed, making the most of the extended wheelbase. The living area features a large lounge with plush seating, a convertible dining table, and panoramic windows that offer stunning views of the surroundings, whether you're parked in the desert or deep in the mountains. The kitchen is fully equipped and surprisingly luxurious for an off-road motorhome. You'll find high-end appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and ample storage cabinets. Countertops are built from durable, scratch-resistant materials, making them ideal for life on the road. The kitchen layout is practical yet stylish, ensuring you can prepare full meals comfortably even in the most remote locations. LED ambient lighting throughout the interior adds a modern, premium feel while also being energy efficient. The sleeping area continues the luxury theme. The master bedroom features a large, comfortable bed, built-in storage, and climate control to ensure a restful night regardless of outside conditions. Additional sleeping arrangements are available, making the Desert Titan suitable for families or groups of adventurers. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a full-size shower, modern fixtures, and a well-designed layout that doesn't feel cramped. High-capacity water tanks and advanced filtration systems allow for extended off-grid living without constant resupply. Up front, the driver's cockpit feels more like a command center than a traditional RV cabin. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort. A large digital display provides critical information about vehicle systems, terrain settings, suspension status, and navigation. Advanced driver assistance features help manage the vehicle's massive size, while multiple cameras provide a 360-degree view to make maneuvering easier. Despite its scale, the Desert Titan feels surprisingly manageable from behind the wheel, thanks to smart engineering and technology. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Caterpillar Desert Titan 6x6 truly earns its name. Power comes from a massive Caterpillar diesel engine designed for extreme durability and torque. This engine isn't about speed, it's about unstoppable pulling power and reliability. The torque output allows the Desert Titan to climb steep inclines, tow heavy loads, and push through soft terrain without breaking a sweat. Paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission, power delivery is smooth and controlled. even under extreme conditions. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures that power is distributed efficiently across all 6 wheels. Locking differentials, adjustable suspension, and multiple terrain modes allow the driver to adapt the vehicle to sand, mud, rock, snow, or highway driving. The suspension system is built to absorb massive impacts while keeping the interior stable and comfortable. Even on rough terrain, the ride remains impressively composed, which is crucial for long-distance travel. Fuel efficiency is not the main focus here, but considering the size and capability of the Desert Titan, it performs reasonably well for its class. Large fuel tanks provide an extended driving range, making it ideal for long expeditions far from civilization. The Motorhome also features advanced power management systems, including solar panels and onboard generators, allowing you to live comfortably off-grid for extended periods. Now let's talk about pricing, because a vehicle like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Caterpillar Desert Titan 6.6 Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury expedition vehicle category. The base price is extremely high, reflecting its heavy-duty construction, advanced engineering, and luxury interior. Customization options can push the price even higher, with buyers able to choose specific interior finishes, technology packages, off-road upgrades, and self-sufficiency systems. This is not a motorhome for casual campers. It's designed for serious adventurers, explorers, and those who want the ultimate mobile base for extreme travel. So who is the Desert Titan really for? It's for people who refuse to compromise. Those who want to travel anywhere, anytime, without worrying about roads, weather, or terrain. It's for adventurers who want military-level toughness combined with 5-star comfort. The 2026 Caterpillar Desert Titan 6x6 Motorhome is